Welcome to JPR Training Services. Within this presentation, you will learn the services that JPR provides and also descriptions of the different modalities of training that JPR produces. JPR Training, the services offered are curriculum design and development. We create professional PowerPoint presentations. We develop employment job procedure manuals and provide in-person training. If you look on jprtraining.com, you will see several training samples. There are PowerPoint voiceover trainings that we produce. Generally, PowerPoint voiceover trainings are for different trainings where you want to provide information, allow the employee to be able to view and read the PowerPoint slides, and also at the same time hear the explanation from the subject matter expert, which is additional information. We also do screen recording trainings when you have a new computer system or a form that you want the employee to be able to fill out and learn how to fill out. They can look at the video on how to do it and then do it on their computer. We also produce and develop in-person curriculum. You would provide us with the information that you wanted your employees to learn, and we would develop and design the curriculum, and you would get a workbook, lesson plan, quiz, sign-in sheet, and evaluation. We also produce and develop employee procedure manuals. We can develop a procedure manual for every position, every job that you have in your company. We also do self-paced modules. Self-paced modules are generally utilized if you have one bit of information that you need to get out to your employees quickly and you want to ensure that they understood it. So we will provide you with the workbook with all of the information, a quiz that the employee could take at their leisure, and then they can provide that to the supervisor to be included with their training manuals. We develop curriculum. Curriculum can be a whole segment of curriculum, such as if you wanted to have a supervisor's training that had several different subjects that were encompassed, we could do the development and design for each one of the subjects, package them up and give it to you to have an employee at your job do the training, or a subject matter expert, or we at JPR Training could also provide the in-person training. We design PowerPoint presentations from existing PowerPoints. If you have a PowerPoint presentation that you wanted to be a little bit more professional or wanted to add information or add videos to it, then we could do that for you. Also, we could research information and create an entire new PowerPoint presentation for meetings or trainings. We do conference call training. Conference call training, what we would do is we would get the information that you wanted to have presented on the conference call. You would give us the name of your subject matter expert. We will facilitate the telephone number that the subject matter expert will call into. Several of your employees could also call into the line to hear the information and ask questions. We at JPR Training would record that information, ensure that it was edited properly, and then we will provide you with the USB or the disk of the information. You could use that information at any time, put it on your server so that employees could hear the information over and over. We also do procedure manuals. If you have a new process that you wanted the employee to learn, a new procedure like dealing with customers, and you wanted to have a very structured, detailed step-by-step of how to do that procedure with screenshots or videos attached, we could do a procedure manual to accommodate that. We also do teleconference training. Teleconference training is where you would pick a subject that you needed to have disseminated to your clients or to your employees. Give us the name and telephone number for your subject matter expert. We would speak with the subject matter expert to determine exactly the questions that needed to be asked. Then someone at JPR Training would facilitate interviewing that subject matter expert, which would cover the baseline information you wanted to have covered and the frequently asked questions, and we would record that conversation and provide you with a USB or a disk in order to have that, and you could use it for years to come. Now, the advantage of using the teleconference system is that several times organizations, they hire public speakers or subject matter experts from different industries, and they spend thousands of dollars for it, but only the few people that are able to attend that particular section get the information. You could do the same thing by hiring that same subject matter expert, have someone here at JPR Training to facilitate the interview with them, record it, and then you have that information for years to come. We also do online training. We develop and design and host online training. So if you have different trainings that the employees have to take year after year, we could actually develop and design that training for you, open it up for a period of time, have the employees like for a 30, 60-day period, have the employees go online, do the training. They could print out a certificate right there online, provide it to their supervisor, and we will provide you with a listing of all the people that actually took that particular training. We do this online training either using SharePoint or Adobe Presenter. If you're interested in speaking with us about your training needs, please contact us at jprtraining@gmail.com or 707-816-1200. We look forward to hearing from you.